It's also not good for Edgewater Live down there on the west side of Cleveland. That has been canceled because of the weather. And Betsy Kling is telling us all those lakeshore communities from east to west are feeling this, Bets.
Yeah, definitely. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that's now extended down into much of Geauga County, too. So we have Ashtabula, Lake Geauga, and eastern portions of Cuyahoga County. You can see the update, this little area right here. I was just checking my Twitter feeds because I've been getting a lot of great pictures from people who are playing it safe and staying inside as these storms are rolling in. You can see the leading edge of this severe thunderstorm in Ashtabula County is just approaching Conneaut. Somebody just posted onto my Facebook page on a visitor's post a beautiful picture of the shelf cloud that is preceding this thunderstorm. Ashtabula, you are in the thick of things right now, but you can see into Conneaut, down into Pierpont, and eventually Pymatuning. That is where we have this particular severe thunderstorm that is going to continue to move in. I'm going to stop this and we can kind of investigate a little bit more here. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder. Want to check the hail on this because we have been looking at this one as a hail producer as well. And you can see that not too much hail at this point in Ashtabula and even down toward Trumbull Township, just coming into Jefferson right now. But we've also been dealing with a lot of wind. Now, keep in mind, we are kind of far from the radar at this point, but we definitely do have a lot of outbound wind. It's unidirectional, so this would be a straight line wind event that we would be looking at. Let's go farther to the west now, and I'll move you over toward Lake and Geauga counties. Now, remember, we've been seeing these thunderstorm complexes coming in off of the lake, producing some high wind gusts throughout areas around Mentor, Fairport Harbor, and Paynesville, up into Geneva on the lake in Ashtabula County, North Madison. But we're also now seeing this southern edge of this getting down into portions of Geauga County, too. Let me pick up my tracker here, and we'll go east on this. Probably kind of out along 322, 422 area. So kind of that zone there into Yates Corners, Newberry, Burton, Middlefield, and Bundysburg before it crosses over into portions of Trumbull County. And that's kind of a heads up for you folks in northern Trumbull County as well. Again, the hail threat with this has not been all that significant, but we have seen some hail. Look at Mayfield Heights right now. Let's get a little notation on that one, get my tools correct here. But right here in Mayfield Heights, we probably have about 1 inch hail. We've had some reports of 3/4 inch hail that's been falling. This just came out of the Euclid area, and I have a picture to show you of some of that hail that's been falling in Euclid that somebody just posted up onto my Twitter feed. But there is a ton of rain that's coming down with this. So torrential rainfall now falling in portions of Chesterland over into Chardon, right up through Willoughby Hills, Willowick, East Lake, Mentor. That's going to continue eastbound on I-90. So if you have any travel plans to go east on I-90 here over the next hour or two, I would say hold on because they have a lot of rain that's coming down. West side of Cuyahoga County, things have calmed down nicely west of downtown Cleveland, but you can see here out into Mayfield, we just showed you that little hail core. There's some wind that's associated with that, and this whole thing is moving east. So areas south of 480, you're in the clear. No worries there, but look at these thunderstorms that are still to come onshore for areas east of Cleveland. That's out over the lake. Not to be outdone, we still have storms going on west. We go out toward portions of Vermilion and Huron. You can see these thunderstorms that are coming off the lake here. That's going to move into Lorain County. So you may be in a little bit of a lull right now, Lorain County, but it's going to fire up again. And you can see how these thunderstorms then fade back toward Bellevue. We just had a report into the National Weather Service of 3/4 inch hail near Clyde. Powerful storms moving out of Sandusky right now. This is one of my Facebook follow friends who's seeing the backside of those storms as it moves east. There's the hail in Euclid. See how it's in the grass? You can definitely pick that out there. Probably pea to marble size hail there. And then in Perry and Lake County, look at the hail on the deck here. So things are definitely bumpy out there. This line of storms will be passing through as we head through the night. Look at the little spotty storms farther west. This is headed for you folks who are farther south. But then these little scattered showers north, that's going to be a sprinkle chance for us as we go through the day tomorrow. Real quick peek, you can see those thunderstorms moving out by midnight. We start the day with partly cloudy skies and temperatures that are only going to make it into the 70s in the afternoon. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, upper 70s with passing sprinkles. We are holding on to dry skies for the weekend with mid and upper 70s. Next chance for rain and storms coming back Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.